Now for an activity. For a day, note down every time you use an AI feature on your phone. You might be surprised at how often AI assists you. The objective for this activity is to encourage you to explore and discover the various AI features embedded in your smartphone, many of which you might use daily without realizing their AI-driven nature. Here are some instructions. 1. Spend a day with your smartphone and identify at least 3 features or functions that utilize AI. These could range from commonly used features to those you rarely think about. 2. For each feature you identify, analyze how AI plays a role. What does AI do in this context? How does it enhance the feature's functionality? 3. Reflect on how each of these AI features impacts your daily smartphone experience. What difference does AI make in the usability and effectiveness of these features?